We're in the food court of the mall at Millenia. Firehouse Subs, Charlie's, Chipotle, Johnny Rockets, Rosetta, the Italian bakery, California Pizza Kitchen, Fortuna Bakery, it's an Orlando thing, Del Moro's, Chick-fil-A behind the pole there, Fresh & Co., Chickpeas. This is the food court at the mall at Millenia. And then I absolutely dig this oranges. Look, we're in the orangery. The word orangery. The oranges, that's an orange, and limes. It's really all about the citrus here, isn't it? Got oranges and limes here at the food court at the mall at Millenia. So this is a real citrus theme going on. You see the oranges and lemons and limes up there? Phenomenal saying, judge a tree from its fruit, not the leaves, says Euripides. Forgive me if I mispronounced that. This mall is all about the citrus. It's all about the citrus. Here's another view of the food court going on this way. Please do not touch the fountain. quick look through at the mall at Millenia in Orlando. The mall is right off I-4 off Conroy Road, a short distance from Universal. I think it's only about 3 miles from Universal Orlando Resort. It's one of the premier malls in the Orlando area. It was quite busy, but it wasn't extremely busy on a Saturday afternoon in January. The Florida Mall, which is about 5 miles or so from that, is actually much bigger and is usually much busier. The mall at Millenia is more of an upscale mall. We didn't go through the whole mall on this tour, but there's also a Macy's. But the other anchor stores are things like Bloomingdale's and Neiman Marcus, and they have that luxury lane. Eating options include the California Pizza Kitchen that you saw, Brio, and the Cheesecake Factory. So that's the mall at Millenia. It's a shopping mall. I mean, there are plenty of great things to do in Orlando that do not involve shopping malls. But if you're in the mood for a traditional shopping mall, maybe the weather isn't so good, do check it out. It can get quite busy in that area. There are a number of smaller strip malls, Target, even an IKEA right across the street. Plenty of places to eat, both fast food. On the outside, there's a Culver's nearby, Panda Express. So that's our quick look at the mall at Millenia, in Orlando, Florida. It does well with keeping to kind of the astrological timepiece theme, the whole millennium. It's kind of like Epic Universe in a mall a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the quick tour. Please like if you liked it. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching, and check out our other videos, and we'll see you again soon.